This is the same to what we answered before. So 25 times 1,000. Let's look at the first question. What is the answer? The answer is 25,000, which means what? 25 and 3 zeros over here. So let's go to the next question. 25 times 100. This is equal to 25 hundredths, which is expressed as what? 2,500. Okay, now what comes next? We have 25 times 10, and that is equal to what? 25 tenths, and we can write it as 250. Then what do we have? 25 times 1, and this is equal to 25. All right, in problem 5, we want to multiply 25 times 1/10. In the same pattern, we will get 25 tenths. When we want to write the number in the standard form, we have to regroup 20 tenths as they are equivalent to 2 ones. So we will have what? 2.5 tenths. So it's going to be 2.5. In problem 6, what do we have? We want to multiply 25 by 100. In the same way, or in the same pattern, we will get 25 hundredths. When we want to write the number in the standard form, it will be 0.25. Now in problem 7, what do we have? We are multiplying 25 by 1 thousandths. So the product will be 25 thousandths. That means we will write it as 0.025. As simple as that. Now, one of the most important notes that we have to pay attention to is that any whole number can be written in the form of a decimal number by adding what? A decimal point on the right of the ones. Let me be more clear. If we're going to look at this number, let's try to conclude a rule for multiplying by powers of 10 from the problems that we answered. So, for example, we can choose question 2 as an example. Now, 25 is a whole number. And just like we've said, we can add a decimal point to the right of the what? Of the ones. And write a 0 after it in the what? In the tens. So, I'm going to multiply this number by 100. We will do the same in the product. What was the product here? The product was 2,500. I can do the same here. We will add a decimal point to the right of the ones and we will add a 0 in the tens. Now, when we look at the place of the decimal point after multiplying by 100, we will notice that it moved how many places? It was here. So it moved 2 places to the right, as you can see. Now, the number 100 here is considered as a whole number of powers of 10.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا المستقبل يبدأ الآن.